This is my recent Keelcraft Elmira build. It was designed back in 1970 and has a 116-inch wingspan. I started off by downloading the plans off the Outerzone website. This is a great source of free plans. I then printed them out using my large format printer. The build itself is pretty straightforward, but I did make a few changes as apparently the original design didn't turn very well. I didn't know whether to go down the route of adding ailerons or just keeping it all simple with the original 2 channels. I always liked the purity of flying simple and lightweight models, so I eventually decided on the 2 channel route. In order to make it more responsive to the rudder, I added some polyhedral to the outer wing panels and then enlarged the rudder by about 30%. Instead of using elastic bands to hold the wings on, I made them slot onto a metal spar and then brought the servos forward to sit under the canopy. I managed to save almost half a kilogram on the original stated weight, with an all-up flying weight of 1.1 kilograms. And here is some footage of the maiden flight in about 3 to 4 mile an hour breeze.